Hello everybody, my name is Jakuba and welcome to Bratislava in Slovakia Innovation Day 2018. Today we are going to speak about IoT in retail. How can it look like? So from my experience of being a buyer at a retail shop, I know that we should solve several questions like up-to-date information to our customers, the shelf itself, and also integration between pricing system, warehouse, and so on. Let's have a look how does this work. Imagine that I'm a sales advisor in one shop, so I sign in, and basically here I have the information about my customers who are right now in the store, what are the best-selling products, and all other key information that I need to know. But imagine, and why it is IoT in retail, why it is smart shelf. Imagine that somebody is studying this shoe, let's say, right, which is connected through the sensor to the shelf. That means that on this map, let's say, I understand where all of my customers are, and once the customer takes this shoe, the system notifies me about that this shoe is being examined. So I can gently approach the customer and say, dear customer, would you like me to explain to you something? Or, for example, here we have some products that are related to this. So these are the products that are usually bought by our customers in relation with this shoe. And customer can say, all right, can you tell me if the price is going to be lower this year? Are you going to put into the promotion this type of shoe? I would say, okay. I have an integrated analytics, and I say, you know what? No, it's not going to be in promotion any longer this year, so it's better to buy now. Okay, but customer can ask, do you have, for example, this shoe in number 8 size? And I say, let me check. Yes, we have 2 pairs left. What about now size 7? There are 6 pairs left. Okay, so let me then try size 8. But I wouldn't like to leave my customer standing and waiting for me. I can delegate, right? So what I'm going to do is to say, my colleague who is now in the stockroom, please, I request you to bring this shoe to this exact location. So I'm creating so-called running request to bring size number 8 of this rapid mid safety trainer. Yeah? How does this look like? Imagine that I'm a colleague, I'm in a stockroom, and of course I have some smartphone, let's say, and in this smartphone I also using the application, yeah? And these are the tasks that are coming from my colleagues to me, and one of those tasks, you see, it is running request to bring to this particular shelf rapid knee safety trainer. So I go to the warehouse with this specific request. What I see in the warehouse, just a lot of boxes, right? And for me it is very difficult to understand easily and quickly where in these old boxes I can find this orange shoe. But I have a camera in my phone, right? So what I do, I just click here and basically use the QR code reader here in this camera and see where exactly my shoe is. So basically here it exactly says that in this particular box I can find this pair of shoes. So I don't have to walk through all of those boxes and waste time searching for this book if I can just use this type of technology. Yeah, and I'm coming back to the shop. So that means my customer is happy and I'm able to, let's say, sell this boot because the customer tried it and it fit in a very positive way. But it can happen that other customer comes to me and says, you know what, I have found this shoe, I like it, how much does it cost, and what is this? Yeah, I say, wait a moment, you know what, I am the first day in the shop, but I will have a look for you. Okay, so I see that it is this kind of shoe. It costs this one, and on the warehouse we have in your size, let's say 2, or in bigger size we have also 2 pairs left. So basically, even if I don't know all of my products, I can use just augmented reality to quickly understand and find in the database information about all of my goods. And what does this mean? This means that if I'm selling the shoes, the shelf is becoming empty, and my colleague, who you already know, his name is Joseph, need to merchandise or restock the shoes on the shelf, right? Here we have other tasks among the others. One of them is shelf arrangement. So how can he know where each shoe should be situated, right? The system will help. And again, we are using augmented reality. We can say, okay, let's see. Here I have some shoe, right? It is orange one, and let's see what is this. So I say that it is this pair of shoe, and here I find this one and say, okay, black bowel, and here I say it is black root, and here I have something else. And I need to understand basically if those shoes are situated correctly. That means I basically go and try to check it with the planogram, yeah. And once I'm ready, I can say, okay, what is this shoe? I don't recognize it, and then I say, right, 2 products positioned incorrectly, and basically it is because these 2 are mixed, so we need to change places. So it is according to the planogram, right? So once I do this, I say this is black bowling shoe and this is black boot, and here we go, all products are positioned correctly. So basically there is no need even for me to print out planograms, remember all of the shelves where everything should be situated. I just use the augmented reality and the integration to my transactional system, and I'm able to maintain the shelf in the way how my suppliers prefer it to be. And of course, it saves me much time to devote to the customer and not searching for the information, not coming to the database and not leaving my customer unattended, because this is how I actually build those relationships. And even though I don't know the customer, I can, in the process of conversation from the application, add the new customer. And let's say the customer name, which I got to know, is Alex, let's say Jakuba. Yeah, I associate this customer with some criteria, let's say with some color, yellow, and see that in the list of my customers I have a new one whose name is Alex Jakuba. And here I see all the topics that we have been discussing, because I was able to devote myself to the customer and not searching for the stock, not searching for the correct price, but to my customer, which actually gives me an ability to build those relationships, which are a lot more important than some operational job. So this was my 5-minute demo about the smart shelf, about IoT in retail. My name is Alex Jakuba, and stay tuned. Bye.